Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Sunday, June 23rd. We're looking at warm, dry, and occasionally winter weather continuing into next week. But beyond that, looking at a cold front on Thursday, bringing in some cooler temperatures to round out the work week. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today. Again, warm, dry, and occasionally windy conditions will continue into early next week. We'll see strongest winds during the afternoon hours each day as temperatures remain generally above 10 to 15 degrees above normal each afternoon. A cold front on Thursday will help to reintroduce some showers and thunderstorms potential, generally around that Wednesday-Thursday time frame, but we are expecting those strongest winds on Thursday as that front swings through the area. So after that brief cool down for Friday, we'll see temperatures warm back up heading into next weekend, as far as temperatures back to just where we were earlier in the week by the weekend. And a quick look at satellite for you this morning shows high pressure in full control over the region. May see some afternoon cumulus clouds, but other than that, mostly clear skies, plenty of sunshine for you heading into early next week. And a weather risk outlook for your next 5 days. Main concerns will center around some stronger winds, peaking during, again, those afternoon hours. But beyond that, nothing too impactful until we get some slight chances for some showers and thunderstorms. Returning into the forecast for your Wednesday and Thursday, with another round of strong winds on Thursday, again as that cold front moves through the area. And here's a look at those temperatures out there this morning. 50s and 60s to start things off for your Sunday, with afternoon highs just about where they were yesterday, upper 80s to low to mid 90s, pushing into the triple digits, upper 90s out towards Boise, where they saw 102 degrees yesterday. And take a look at those max wind gusts today. We are seeing some occasionally breezy winds out there this morning. Those will ramp up this afternoon and evening. Gusts hanging on about 30 to 50 miles an hour, locally stronger across portions of the upper valley. And for your Monday, another rinse and repeat, 50s and 60s to start things off, with afternoon highs slightly cooler in the 80s, 90s. Not seeing as much of the low triple-digit potential for Monday. And wind gusts on Monday will keep the winds going, get that warmer air, slightly cooler air, actually, in fact, for Monday, just by a couple degrees, but still hanging on gusts about 35 to 45 miles an hour. And for your Tuesday, 40s, 50s, and low 60s to start things off, with afternoon highs still hanging on in those 80s to mid 90s, a little bit warmer as you head further west. This will be kind of the trend until we see that cool down later in the week. And wind gusts on Tuesday going to be slightly less than what we saw Sunday and Monday, only gusts maybe about 25 to 40 miles an hour. And for your Wednesday morning, we're going to see temperatures again 40s, 50s, and 60s to start things off, with afternoon highs still hanging on in those 80s to upper 90s, warmest areas further south and west. And wind gusts on Wednesday, we'll see those ramp up just slightly. Again, slight chance for some showers and storms potentially. Best chances will be in the mountains, but certainly can't rule out a storm or two across the Snake River Plain. But wind gusts on Wednesday, still looking at that 25 to 40 mile an hour range. And for your Thursday, a mild morning. Got plenty of cloud cover working in here, so 50s and 60s to start things off for your Thursday. And with afternoon highs, it's cooler, actually trending back just a little bit closer towards seasonable norms, but still hanging on in the 70s and 80s for your Thursday. And wind gusts on Thursday, this looks like it's going to be the strongest winds of the next 7 days. So again, we're focusing on that cold front as it moves through the area. On Thursday, we could see wind gusts peak about 40 to 60 miles an hour, some locally stronger gusts as you get further north across the Arco Mud Lake Desert and into the upper Snake River Plain. And for Friday, some cooler air settling in behind that front, 30s, 40s, and 50s to start things off, with afternoon highs noticeably cooler in the 60s and 70s. May see some 80s down towards Utah and out towards Boise, but other than that, it should be a seasonably cool day for your Friday. And you guessed it, just a little bit more wind for Friday, still hanging out about gusts 35 to 40 miles an hour. And you look at what's to come, temperature outlook heading into the 6 to 10 day period. This will take us through June 28th through the July 2nd, heading into early July. We're going to see that near normal to slightly above normal favored chances in our region. So again, we're going to slightly drop heading into late next week with some cooler temperatures, but overall the trend will be back to some more above normal temperatures to finish out the week. 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook doesn't highlight a ton for our area. Again, best chances for showers and storms over the next 7 days will be around that Wednesday, Thursday time frame, around that cold front moving through. But other than that, no big precipitation signal for our area. As to our southeast, some monsoonal moisture potentially beginning to work in to the desert southwest. 8 to 14 keeps that warm signal going heading into June 30th through the 6th of July. And with the 8 to 14 precip outlook, not seeing a whole lot of change there. Some more near normal to below normal levels. No big storms, at least moving into our region, heading into early July. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome Sunday and stay safe out there.